CMM Measurement Center.
Hello everyone, this is Kenny from Top Talent Crew. Today, welcome to our CMM Measurement Center. In our quality department, we inspect every part, checking fixtures and welding joints to ensure they meet the highest standard. Our CMM equipment includes a large HEXAGON CMMs for high precision measurement of large parts, several leader models in various sizes, capable of handling parts up to 5,000 millimeters. With these advanced tools and strain quality process, TTM deliver comprehensive, precise, and dependable inspection service for our customer. Thank you for your watching.